Welcome people of Chemistry 1002, get ready for not the lights, not the action, but the reaction, nay, reactions, starring Joshua, Peter, Allison, and Devontae and Nicole behind the camera. Fantastic. Let's start it off with something we all know and love, volcanoes. Oh, so there aren't any volcanoes. Okay, sorry folks, no volcanoes today, but there is an Erlenmeyer flask with vinegar and baking soda, just like the original except a bit more minimalistic. Before I show anything on reactions, I will have you know that we all put on gloves and goggles because we value our lives and science, but mostly our lives. So we got an Erlenmeyer flask, poured some baking soda and vinegar, oh look at that, and then some more baking soda and vinegar. This chemical reaction actually undergoes two reactions. First, there is a double displacement reaction in which the acetic acid in vinegar reacts with sodium bicarbonate to form sodium acetate and carbonic acid. Carbonic acid is unstable and undergoes a decomposition reaction to produce the carbon dioxide gas. Elephant toothpaste is not something to improve the smell of an elephant's breath, but rather a foamy substance that looks like it could be an elephant's toothpaste. The sodium iodide reacts with the hydrogen peroxide by removing an oxygen atom. This essentially produces water and oxygen gas. The oxygen gas produced gets trapped in the soap, which produces a big ball of foam. The reaction produces oxygen gas, water, and iodine. As the reaction takes place, you'll also see steam rising from the erupting foam. This shows that the reaction is exothermic, meaning that it gives off heat. It is an exothermic as well as a decomposition reaction since it shows the catalyzed decomposition of hydrogen peroxide. Our final experiment is fire. No, actually it is. It produces legit fire.
Holy sh! Oh my god! Yeah, Alex.
This reaction is one between potassium permanganate and glycerin. Potassium permanganate is a dark purple solid that is used as a very powerful oxidizing agent. An oxidizing agent is a substance which adds molecular oxygen to a compound. The molecular addition of oxygen is often a very exothermic process which produces a purple flame as shown here. Oxidizers such as potassium permanganate take electrons, while reducers such as glycerin and glycerol give electrons. Together, this creates an exothermic reaction, as mentioned before, and a redox reaction. This concludes our reactions, but now it's your turn to react. Hopefully yours is positive and does not emit gas.
Fucking hell! Fuck that. Don't fucking put it on me, son. Fuck, you want goggles?